Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hello everyone, checking in on Netflix on the daily and weekly time frame, and a very significant move today. Not only was there a nice big gap up, and the bulls closed at the high of the day holding that gap up, very little profit taking. We got above this previous resistance. We can see all these tops are in the same area, so you know that's a tough resistance level. The highest that we hit on that attempt was 95.88. So the fact that we closed above that level is a bullish indication short term. We need to be aware of what the markets are doing. We are looking for consolidation early next week, but the candlesticks on the daily chart for the S&P 500 aren't exactly showing that that's a clear signal. So we need to be cautious of what we're going to what we are anticipating to happen and wait for the actual candlesticks to tell us. So this lack of an upper wick shows strength, and we're looking at the high here now, 97.20 on this candlestick, that long wick that filled the gap. And then we're looking at the little bounce attempt here at 101.63. So when I look at a chart like this, what stands out to me in terms of resistances are these stair steps, and every time you hit a little top on a bounce attempt, that is a resistance level because that's where the price couldn't get over, and then the bears took over. So nice close above the 100-day moving average, 96.11. So those resistances will be what is being watched, and the 100-day moving average, 96.11. If that doesn't hold, the 50-day in the middle Bollinger Band at the same level. We'll see if we get that bullish MACD cross on Tuesday, and a very key hold of support here. So we can see we're still in a tightening pattern. After this drop, we had our lower high, our higher low, lower high, and still now a higher low. Although we dipped below it, the big bullish reversal candlestick closed at the high of the week, just below the middle Bollinger Band resistance on the weekly time frame. The channel right now that I'm watching is the 50-week resistance and the 100-week support. So we're bouncing in between that area, and as we form these tighter and tighter patterns, we're going to see either a close above the 50-week and the bulls will be taking over, or a close below the 100-week and we'll know to go bearish. So that is a trade that you can be patient on. You can stock this setup, play other names, play commodities, whatever it may be, but just check on this chart, maybe 3 times a week or so, and just watch what the setup is doing and how it's reacting to these key levels. And your risk to reward will greatly favor reward if you wait for one of these breaks to occur. So I appreciate you watching. We will check back in on Netflix. Have a great long weekend.